Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two exciting phones that are making waves in the mid-range market, the POCO X7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A56. If you're trying to decide which one is the better option for you, then stick around because we're going to break it down in a Q&A format, and I'll answer all the burning questions you might have. Let's dive in! First question, which phone is built better, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? Well, both phones look great, but they have different builds. The POCO X7 Pro comes with a Gorilla Glass 7i front and a plastic or eco leather back, depending on the model. It's also got an IP68 rating on the global version, meaning it's highly water resistant. The India-only model even goes a step further with IP69 resistance. As for the Samsung Galaxy A56, it has a more premium feel with a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front, a glass back, and an aluminum frame. It's rated IP67, so it's still water resistant, but it's not quite as tough as the POCO. So, if durability and water resistance are important to you, the POCO X7 Pro is the winner here. Next up, which phone has the better display, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? The POCO X7 Pro is packed with a stunning AMOLED display that supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, with a peak brightness of 3200 nits. It has a 1220 x 2712 resolution and a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy A56, on the other hand, uses a Super AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, but it only reaches 1000 nits peak brightness and has a 1080 x 2340 resolution. So, while both displays are great, the POCO X7 Pro edges out the A56 with a sharper, brighter, and more vibrant display. Alright, moving on to performance, which phone is faster, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? The POCO X7 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, a 4nm chipset that's super fast and efficient. It's paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for top-tier performance. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with the Exynos 1580 chipset, which is also built on a 4nm process, but it's not quite as powerful as the Dimensity chip. It does have 12 GB of RAM, but it uses UFS 2.1 storage, which is a bit slower. So if you want more raw performance and faster storage speeds, the POCO X7 Pro definitely wins here. Now let's talk cameras. Which phone has the better camera setup, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? The POCO X7 Pro features a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Plus, it has a 20-megapixel selfie camera that takes stunning shots, and it records video in 4000 at 30 or 60 FPS. The Samsung Galaxy A56 also has a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, but it adds a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 5-megapixel macro lens. For selfies, you get a 12-megapixel front camera, and it records in 4000 at 30 FPS. While both phones have great camera setups, the POCO X7 Pro takes the win in terms of video quality with its 60 FPS 4000 recording and its higher-res 20-megapixel selfie camera. Okay, next question, which phone has better battery life and charging, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? The POCO X7 Pro is rocking a 6000 mAh battery on the global version and a 6550 mAh battery on the India-only model. On top of that, it supports 90-watt fast charging, which means it can go from 0 to 100% in just 42 minutes. The Samsung Galaxy A56, however, has a smaller 5000 mAh battery, and it only supports 45-watt charging. So while it'll still last you through the day, it's not going to charge as fast as the POCO X7 Pro. Final question, which phone offers the better value for money, the POCO X7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A56? The POCO X7 Pro is priced at around $354 or €319.99, which is a pretty great deal for all the features it offers. As for the Samsung Galaxy A56, it hasn't been officially priced yet, but it's likely to be a bit more expensive given its premium design. So, in terms of raw value, the POCO X7 Pro offers more for your money, especially considering its performance, charging, and display. So, to wrap it up, if you're after fast performance, great battery life, and a better display, the POCO X7 Pro is your winner. But if you prefer a premium design and a triple camera setup, the Samsung Galaxy A56 might be the one for you. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.